Okay, so now I have my MacBook. It's the 2012 model, and I'm going to be replacing the battery for this 2012 model. So like I said, I was actually going to ship in the batteries, but the shipping fee was like too expensive. It was like 3 times the price of the battery, so I didn't ship it. And when I was scrolling through Facebook, I saw someone selling spare parts, a faulty MacBook 2010, and he guaranteed me that the battery was working on that one. So I just decided, hey, let's just take the battery from that one. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And along with that, I'm also going to be changing my, wait, what's this? 2 GB. Okay, so I'm also going to be changing my SATA connection because I suspected there was a faulty in this one. So I'm just gonna change this one. Right. So how you're gonna do this is, firstly you have to unscrew, make sure that it's the correct size because you don't want to strip the screws. Stripping them will be bad. You know, like this old MacBook, it had like 2 of the screws were rusty, so that kind of cost me a lot of time to try and remove that from remove the screws, because it's basically, it's so rusty you couldn't even remove it. Okay, let's take this apart. Should be okay now. Nope, need to unscrew it a bit more. Okay, still no. Let's take out the screws first. Why wouldn't it come off? Oh, it's just glued there. Oh, so there's like a, what is this? Alright, let's not think about that for now. Let's just take out the battery of this one. Alright. Okay, we got the battery up. And as you can see, this battery does not have any floats. Perfect. It's kind of dusty though. It smells disgusting. Don't expect from spare parts. Alright, perfect fit. So if you have a MacBook 2012 or 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, the batteries can be used interchangeably. Yeah. Right, let's just look for the screw. I hope I have the screw. This is the one. The one on here. Nope, it's not this one. Which one is it? It's in here. Honestly, I forgot which screw was for which screw. Nope. This is why you must keep your screws organized and not like this, because this is horrible. You don't know which screw is for which. I'm just guessing here right now. I think it's these screws. I don't think it's these, because these are like the ones for the back. I hope I didn't lose the screws. Alright, Let's just remove the hard drive connector from the 2010 MacBook first, so that we can ensure. Okay, got it out. Just remove this Hitachi. Alright. No, it won't work. Let's switch out the screws. Nope. Oh my gosh. It's gonna keep switching until we find the correct screw. This is not it. Man, it doesn't want to come off. This is supposed to be the correct screw, but it doesn't want to come off. Let's try it. Where's my other screwdriver? Just gonna keep trying, I guess. Okay, after some time, I found the correct screw, and it's done. Okay, let's remove the screws first. Just gently peel this off. All right. Now we can attach this over here. still have not loosened this screw. Should be coming off. Okay. Okay, now it's on. There's one tiny screw here. You can put it, paste it, just reuse the adhesive. We can put it back. These are like really tiny screws. If I drop it, it's game over. Never finding them again. Hey. This is really annoying. It just flew. Alright. No. Get in there. This is getting really annoying. My hands are just too big. And my fingers, they don't help at all. It does not want to go in. Okay, nope, it's not in yet. Ugh. Okay, now it's in. Now let's put this back on. Oh, it's like much longer. Oh. We have extra length. So I think the 2012 MacBook Pro, the disc right there is much shorter than on the 2010. That's what I think, but it should be the same size, so it's probably something else. I think this will be a concern, because you're gonna be like bending it when you when you close the lid back. That's a bit of a concern. I need to do something about this. Okay, maybe not. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's gonna get Yep, I have to do something about this. I don't think it's gonna be good to like just leave it like this. Okay, let's just test it out. Put the lid back on. I think there's some clearance for it. Should be alright. See, like if I put it back on, I think there's clearance for it. Press it down. I don't think I'm damaging anything. Yeah, there's like some space for it. Should be fine. Let's just hope it is fine and does not damage anything, because that would be a nightmare. Alright, it's practically done. Let's just put it back on the SSD. I should, yeah, let's put back on the SSD. I'm gonna screw on the bolts to the side. So that it'll be fixed there. So the SSD I'm using is the one that I got from the Razer Blade. I mean, it's not an SSD, it's still a HDD, but should be faster than your normal HDD, since it is from Seagate Barracuda. Although I would recommend to not use any more HDDs. SSDs are not really that expensive now, so if you can, it is better to just go for a SSD rather than a HDD. They last longer, they're faster. Yeah, it's a bunch of benefits, and the price isn't that expensive now. Usually the price would be a concern, the price would be something you would think about, a determining factor to getting either SSD or HDD. But now no, now it's not, since they're practically the same price now. I mean, no, not really, but it's not too expensive. It's not really that much of a decision altering factor now. Okay, let's just put this back on. I think this is quite fixed. Can't take it out. Okay, put this back on, and let's test it out. We'll test it out before screwing on the back plate again. I'll just put this away first. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, the light here has turned orange. So that means that it detects the battery. So that means the battery is working. But now we're gonna have to try and, oh shoot, I forgot to boot into recovery mode. So we're gonna have to try and test out the hard drive cable to make sure that it is the hard drive cable faulty. But it'll be unlikely that both hard drive cables are faulty in like both of mine. Why is it Windows? Holy, it's booting up Windows. Yo. What? Well, that was unexpected. Well, I guess it kind of works. Well, I'm gonna update you if it boots up if I'm able to format it to the Mac OS. I'm gonna have to put it to recovery mode, but yeah. Alright, I think that's about it. Alright, let's see if it'll be stuck at waiting for this to, because last time it was stuck at waiting for this to, you know, reappear. But let's see if it'll be stuck at that now. Because I have replaced the hard drive connection. Hopefully it does not. I hope it does not. I really do. Please, 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 please. Oh, it's taking some time. Oh. At least it's not stuck at waiting for this to reappear, because that was the main problem back then. Well, as you can see, there's battery now, so it's charging. That's good. Yeah, this is taking some time. Yes, it's done. So it was the hard drive connection. There we go. Now we can finally go on our way to reinstall Mac OS. Of course, I need to connect to Wi-Fi first. Okay. I might have to replace the touchpad because it's like really weird. Okay, there we go. And that's it for this video. I'm so glad it worked out and nothing bad happened. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.